Well, today we get to do a little appliance repair. Wife went down to do some laundry the other night and found that there was water all over the floor. The washing machine, even though it had been turned off, had leaked into the drum and leaked over and got all over. So she let me know about it. I went down, turned off the water, and tried to solve the mystery why it would fill up like that, even though it had been turned off. Found out through a quick Google search that it was probably the water inlet valve. I ordered one on Amazon. Came a few days later, and this is how I changed it out. And it's a Whirlpool Duet, probably about almost 20 years old, I bet. So I started out by taking the top off just to inspect, see if there's anything obviously wrong. And there's just two screws. Looks like there were more screw holes. I've replaced a few things over the years on it, so there may be more if you're doing this. So get the water turned off, undo the hoses, and of course I unplugged it before messing with anything on it. And once we got the water hoses off, I could undo the part in question. And here it is. It's a water inlet valve. Got two tabs on there. Unplug those. And pull it right out. And undo the water hose there, just a pinch coupling. And it pulls right off. The part was pretty dirty. Looks like it had filtered out quite a bit of contaminants over all the years. So new one's a lot cleaner. And here's the dramatic unboxing. Voila, it is same part. And it was about $30 on Amazon. So get that hose put back on. And cinched up. And here's where I found a little trouble. Get it put in, find out that the screw that holds it in is just slightly different. You can see it doesn't quite match up with the holes, so just drilled another hole in the back. It's just some flimsy sheet metal, so it didn't take much to drill a hole in, and surprisingly I hit it just right. So screw went in, held it in place. And get those tabs put back on. Hook the water back up. That top placed back on. And plug it back in, give it a try. Cross my fingers that it actually fills with water. And it works.